Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
For one who is anxious to engage constantly in hearing such topics, Kṛṣṇa katha gradually increases his indifference towards all other things. Such constant remembrance of the lotus feet of Lord Kṛṣṇa by the devotee who has achieved transcendental bliss vanishes all his miseries without delay. We must certainly know that on the absolute plane Kṛṣṇa katha and Kṛṣṇa are one and the same. The Lord is the absolute truth, and therefore his name, form, quality, etc., which are all understood to be Kṛṣṇa katha, are non-different from him. Bhagavad Gita, being spoken by the Lord, is as good as the Lord himself. When a sincere devotee reads Bhagavad Gita, this is as good as seeing the Lord face to face in his personal presence. But this is not so for the mundane wrangler. All the potencies of the Lord are there when one reads Bhagavad Gita, provided it is read in the way recommended in the Gita by the Lord himself. One cannot foolishly manufacture an interpretation of Bhagavad Gita and still bring about transcendental benefit. Anyone who tries to squeeze some artificial meaning or interpretation from Bhagavad Gita for an ulterior motive is not Shraddhadana Pumsa, one engaged anxiously in bona fide hearing of Kṛṣṇa katha. Such a person cannot derive any benefit from reading Bhagavad Gita, however great a scholar he may be in the estimation of a layman. The Shraddhadan, or faithful devotee, can actually derive all the benefits of Bhagavad Gita, because by the omnipotency of the Lord he achieves the transcendental bliss which vanishes attachment and nullifies all concomitant material miseries. Only the devotee, by his factual experience, can understand the import of this verse spoken by Vidur. The pure devotee of the Lord enjoys life by constantly remembering the lotus feet of the Lord by hearing Kṛṣṇa katha. For such a devotee, there is no such thing as material existence, and the much advertised bliss of Brahmananda is like a fig for the devotee who is in the midst of the transcendental ocean of bliss.